Hi guys! So for today's video, we are going to discuss the angle formed by the second line and tangent line. And yung na-formed na angle is outside the circle. That's why we are going to still use the formula angle is equal to 1/2 times the difference of the measure of the bigger intercepted arc and the smaller intercepted arc. Okay, so we have to solve for x. Yung x natin, siya yung bigger intercepted arc. Okay, so what is the measure of our angle? We have 40. So we have 40 is equal to 1/2. Okay, i-multiply natin siya sa difference. Okay, what is the measure of the bigger intercepted arc? Nawawala siya. We have x minus the measure of the smaller intercepted arc, which is 175. Okay? Now, since we know that 1 times x minus 175 is still this one, i-rewrite lang natin siya. So, 40 is equal to x minus 175 over 2. Anong gagawin natin? Pwede tayong mag-cross multiply, di ba? Ito over 1 kasi whole number, ang denominator niya ay 1. So, we cross multiply. 2 times of 40 is just how many? We have 80. Is equal to this one multiplied by 1 is still this one. So, x minus 175. Dahil x lang yung hinahanap natin, ililipat natin si 175. From negative, magiging positive na siya. So, 80 plus 175 equals x. Okay, let's add. We have 175 plus 80. Okay, this one is 5, this one is 15, carry 1. We have 255. So, the value of our x is 255 degrees. Okay, now what will be the value of your bigger intercepted arc? Kasi x siya. Given ka ng smaller intercepted arc which is 84 degrees and your angle which is 60 degrees. What will be your x? Okay, don't forget to follow for more math videos and remember that sharing is caring. Kaya i-share na ang video na to. Okay?